I am Anushika, currently working as Associate Technical Engineer at Kyndryl. Despite my academic background in engineering, I encountered several challenges with adapting to a dynamic work environment. I enrolled for the AWS Skills to Job Tech Alliance program to acquire these essential skills. That's how I managed to get my dream job at Kyndryl.
My name is Sachna N. I'm working as Associate Technical Engineer at Kyndryl. As someone from non-cloud background, Kyndryl has guided me towards Skills to Job Tech Alliance and transformed my understanding towards the cloud environments.
At Kyndryl, our mission is to empower every person to unlock their true potential. Our collaboration with AWS is a testament to this belief. Skills to Job Tech Alliance is playing a vital role in equipping the new talent pool across India with the skills necessary to have a successful career at leading organizations like ours.
Through AWS Skills to Job Tech Alliance, Kyndryl aims to broaden its talent pool. We are sourcing candidates who showcase their cloud proficiency through AWS certifications and assessments.
The demand for cloud computing skills in the APAC region is projected to triple by 2025. And this makes initiatives like AWS Skills to Job Tech Alliance exciting. Leveraging AWS Skills, the new talent pool can deliver value-add services and solutions that cater to various industries and markets.
Hands-on learning was a standout feature of Skills to Job Tech Alliance. It enabled me to acquire proficiency in cloud computing, Linux, Python, etc.
From the day one, Skills to Job onboarding process stood out. It provided clear guidance and helped me navigate through different resources and create my personalized learning paths aligned with my career goals.
We're witnessing tremendous growth in our partnership with AWS. Apart from engaging on AWS early career education initiatives, we collaborated with AWS on additional strategic skilling engagements under the Skills to Job Tech Alliance program.
Looking forward, Kyndryl aspires to empower its workforce to further pursue their passions in the cloud domain. This also ties into our Women in Technology programs.
We have witnessed a positive impact to those who joined Kyndryl through Skills to Job Tech Alliance by contributing to the growth and success of both Kyndryl and our clients. We are shaping the future.
Reimagine your career with AWS Skills to Job Tech Alliance.